Hi, let us discover the master data maintenance of SIPSNITya. Log into the SIPSNITya portal. See, normally when we implement a new portal or when we add the new admissions in bulk or when we migrate from another software to SIPSNITya, there are a lot of small problems will be there troubling us. Let us see how to deal with that. Let us discover the options which is available with SIPSNITya already and how to use those options and how to make the best use of it to ensure our data is clear and there is no errors in the data or the data is formatted the way we wish. So by default, if you see here in the landing dashboard, you can see 1200 students are there. If I click on that, it will take me directly to the student master. Now here we go, here we can see 1200 students are there and most of the students are available with their registration numbers, all these things are available here. And now coming to the this one, so by default we deal with only the active students. So whenever we click on the student master, only active student list will appear. So if you want to see the other status students, come here and remove this active flag. So it will display all the students active, on hold and passed out. Now you can see 1361 students are there. So by default, if you click on student master, you will be able to see only the students available here. However, you will be able to do the search here and understand if the student is available. So we kept the search like Google kind of search. So if we click, all the related informations will come like this. So this is the one option, and second options we need. So we also have the option, say let the contact number which is available somewhere here now, contact name and number. I want somewhere here. I have this option from moving that from that to here. So how I will be able to do the rearrangements. Like after mother name I am putting contact name, and after that I want the contact mobile if I want. So contact mobile input. So if I want to do this, I can do this. And also I have the option here to do the which are the fields to be displayed or not. All these are user specific basically. So however I have done this arrangement of field etc, which will be working for the user. So if I logged in, whenever I log in back, I will get this option. Now here you see I have registration number field, and or when I am adding this, so I have a lot of fields are available. I don't want some fields, or I want to call these fields into some other names. So how to do that? Say now here it is registration number, after that one this one is there. So I don't want that registration number. So I want to call that as an admission number, and I want to make few columns as mandatory. Few columns are visible, all that things. How to do that? We have a module called as platform tools. So let's go to platform tools. Here we have master maintenance option. So master field setting is for us to do the label, how to call the registration number etc. So registration number I want to call that as admission number, and I have the option to make it visible or not. So visible means I made the column as active. So here you can see town option here, cities I made as disappeared. It is not available to the master. So like this we have all the fields, more than 100 fields are there. So we can choose which all the fields we need and which is not required. So let us see now whether I have changed the registration number to admission number. Let's see whether it is affected. Going back to student master now. Now you see the registration number is renamed as admission. So rest everything is same. That's it. Now here you can see I have done a bulk import. So I was imported a data of a customer. They were using some other ERP. So I am imported back. Here you can see during the import there are a lot of extra things have come, like some special characters are there, some signs, some extra spaces, lot of things are available. So how to sanitize this data? How I can do that? That is the next one. So and more than that, one more thing I just want to make it. See, when I'm clicking the name, I want some validation. Like, see, I'm saying student name. So I want to make the data formatted proper. So I don't want to allow this. So here you see only uppercase characters are permitted. So now this is the validation. So if I make it uppercase, it will work. So if I try to add some number, it won't work. Or if I want to add some special character, it won't work. So if it is only uppercase characters and space, it works. So how to enable this validation? Let us see how to enable this validation. This data validation is also available to define, which by default it may not be defined in your portal. If it is not defined, come to data maintenance and say validation details. So here you can see student master name field is validated and saying only uppercase characters are permitted. Now let us see how to add another validation. Click on inline add. So here we have the options like admission registration, alumni, forms, hostel student master, open registration, staff master, student master. These many masters SIPSNITya has. So choose the which master you want to do the implement the validation. Click on the table name and choose the field. Say we have all the fields will be displayed. Say name already validation is done. So now we don't want in name. So we want the validation in father name. So I choose father name. Here I have the option only characters are permitted, only uppercase characters are permitted, only numbers are permitted, no special character. No special character means it will permit all the characters and numbers. 10-digit number. 10-digit number normally used for the phone numbers. So any phone number column like contact number, father mobile number, etc. can be validated as 10 digits. 12-digit number. This basically for the Aadhaar cards, Indian Aadhaar cards. The number is 12 digit. So we can make as 12-digit number. Then 10-digit PAN. So this is the PAN number. So wherever the PAN fields are there, we can do the validation here. So 10-digit PAN supports the character as well the number. So these all are the validations are available. So now let us say father name, let only uppercase characters. So what the error message should go through there. So that can be edited here. So whenever you have seen when I tried with the wrong name, small letter or special character, it was showing me this error, right? So here only uppercase character only permitted. I am just changing this. So however you want to change, you can change. This can be even in the regional languages. Now let's see how the error is coming in the database student master. So I'm coming to add here. I'm trying student. So here it is giving me only uppercase. So I remove that. Parent detail I come and I'm trying father name. Let's see. Uppercase characters only permitted. So whatever the error we have written there, that only is available. I am not going to save this. This is I just want to demonstrate. So I hope you understood how the validation works. Now the next challenge for me is, as I told you before, I have done a bulk import from another ERP software. So now I have the data, everything is come with a lot of additional things. Like extra spaces are there, some code, HTML code of the space is available here, some special character is there, all these are available. So how to deal with this? For this we have the option in platform tools. master maintenance, data maintenance. So coming to the data maintenance, let us perform the action. So we, as before, we have all the masters like student, staff, open registration, all the masters are available. I'll choose my student master. Then I need to choose which action. So whichever the actions are permitted here, let's see. Convert first character of each word to uppercase. That is one action. Second action is convert all characters to uppercase. Copy data from one field to another. Then empty field. Some fields are come which I don't need to keep it, so I can empty it. Then interchange field data. So that means I mistakenly import, during the import my column names were changed. So I want to correct it. Then remove white space, numbers and special characters. Now this is the sanitization option available for us. I am going to choose this. Remove white space, numbers and special character. You have witnessed all my names, father name, mother name contains a lot of special character and extra spaces. So here it will give me an indication what this action is going to do it. Remove extra white space, numbers and other special characters. Only characters will remain. Do this after a bulk import to refine the data. And another very clear indication is available. Please take a backup, export the master and keep it safe before you perform the below action. This is not reversible. Kindly take assistance of support team if required. So what it means is, once I perform this action, I will not be able to reverse it. So what is the best practice is, before performing this action, go back to the student master, remove this active flag. Now all the students are available. Click and do an export. It will export to Excel, Word or CSV files. So let us keep exporting into an Excel file and keep it safe before we perform the action. Now once we are ready with the export and all, come back to the platform tools, data maintenance. Let us perform this action in student master. Remove all white spaces. So at a time I can perform actions in 5 different fields of the student master. I mean, whatever the master you select. So I am choosing, I want to sanitize my name. I want to clear my father name. I want to clear my mother name. Lot of this one is available in it. Special characters, extra spaces. So I click here and I click on perform. Now wait for few seconds. It have done the performed the operation. Now you see the logs. The performance output will be available here as a log. I'm not sure what I've done. Now see, what we have done basically is we performed of mother name, father name, etc. Now let us go back to home and see how student master looks like. Now you see all that special characters, extra spaces, everything is vanished. Now I have given a validation which is say I am telling I need only the upper cases. So now when I try to, now I have done a bulk import, so the data is available in this form. Now if I try to click, it will not permit because it validation is saying only uppercase, and even the parent details we can see father name, it is not permitting because of the validation. So how I can avoid this, or how I can make this data proper? Now name, father name, mother name is there. Now let us go to the perform another action. I wish to convert all these letters into the uppercase so that my validation take place, and whatever the way I wish to keep the data which is available. So I want to say that convert all characters. I am choosing the field as name, choosing the field as father name, choosing the name as mother name. So I am performing this action. Now you can see it may take little time, depends upon how much data you have and how much conversions are required. So depends upon that, it will take a little time. So you just give some time to the system. Sometimes it works very fast and sometimes it depends upon the action we perform. It is like that. And again it depends upon the network speed. So now you see all the names, everything is changed. Name is updated as, see, oh. Now coming back to this one, student master. See my student master, all the names are okay. Contact name I missed to update. Name, father name, mother name. Oh, father name and mother name is interchanged. Oh, okay. Now how I can make this also done? See, that is what I mean, like when we do a bulk import, lot of fields may be interchanged, lot of errors will be there. How to do this? Now father name and mother name I want to interchange. Let me go back to platform tools. I will perform another action in student master called as interchange field data. So I wish to interchange father name and mother name. Father name and the mother name. So I am performing this action and taken backup everything. So after each step we can take a backup so that if any mistake happened in the last step we will be able to recover it. So you know how to do the importing of data will help us in retaining the data back. So here I wish to do this. Now you see father name is updated as Sivaram Rai and mother name is Jayalakshmi R. Very good. Now come back. Let's see now. Yeah, correct. Father name and mother name is interchanged. Now like this, we will be able to perform a lot of actions in across all the masters with the help of these platform tools. And these platform tools options are basically keep improving, and the validation options also keep improving based on the feedback of yours. I request you people to please look into this seriously and start make use of this to ensure your data is properly formatted and kept, and avoid the maximum data entry errors with the help of validations. Thank you for watching this video today. Please make use of it. Thank you.